Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. This is immigration attorney Ali Subhan with Subhan Law Office. I'm also a startup advisor and board member for Vista Startups, a startup accelerator in Sarasota, Florida. As an entrepreneur and an immigration attorney and a startup advisor, I'm always on the lookout for new innovative technologies and startup companies that are really looking to make a difference in the United States and to create jobs and economic growth in their communities. A company that we've recently partnered with and are sponsoring, Easy Wills Wisconsin, is a platform that helps Wisconsin residents create a will for absolutely free online. You can get started at any time from anywhere and on any device. It's so simple. Please check them out at www.easywillswi.com. Subhan Law Office is very excited about this partnership. We believe in expanding legal services and providing greater access to legal services, whether it be for immigration or other types of legal services. So in this instance, for estate planning and specifically wills. So today I would like to do a short, brief tutorial of easywillswi.com and how you can go to the platform and start a will and be finished in usually under 30 minutes. So let's get started. You'll go to www.easywillswi.com. You'll see the homepage here. I'll let you review that on your own time. But if you scroll through or you click the button, Get Started, it'll take you to the bottom of the page where it says Start Your Will. Just click on Start Your Will, and you'll be taken to this page. At the top of the page, you'll see it says Free Wisconsin Will. And then it talks about how you can get started on your will. You'll go through the simple questionnaire. All the questions are written in plain English and very easy to read and very simple to answer. So you'll just go through this questionnaire and fill it out, put in the information that it asks, and then at the end, you'll be taken to a preview of your will. It'll look something like this. It'll look like this. But and you'll just scroll through, make sure that all the information that you input into the questionnaire is correct. You'll be able to review your completed will. If everything looks good to you, you'll just scroll to the bottom of the will and click Submit. If there's something that doesn't look right, you can click Previous. It'll take you back into the questionnaire, and then you can make those changes there, and you'll come back to this preview screen again. Once done, you can click Submit. If at any time something happens and you need to save and continue later, just click on Save and Continue Later. As you see up here, the site is secure and your information is also safe and secure as it's encrypted. But let's say that you reviewed your questionnaire, you reviewed the will, and I'm just going to show you that the language in the will is very robust, and it's going to protect you and your family under Wisconsin law. At the end of the will, you'll see that there's instructions, and the most important instruction is that for the will to be valid, you will need to sign the will in front of 2 witnesses and a notary. Typically, you can go to your local bank and they'll do this service for free. So I'm going to click Submit here. As you see, we're taken to the final page. You'll just click on Download Your Will, and just for the tutorial today, I'm going to click Download so you can see how it works. You'll open up the PDF, and there you go. There's the will. You'll come up here to Print, click on Print, print your will, and you're all set. It's that simple. It's that easy. Again, Subhan Law Office is very proud to be partnering with Easy Wills Wisconsin to bring this free legal service to the Wisconsin community. If we have enough feedback and positive comments, we might bring this nationwide. So please do give us your feedback on Facebook or on the post wherever you're viewing this video, because it will be helpful to us. And we hope that this service is helpful to you and your family.